How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with Speedtech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force 55 linear tow. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Then you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you'll notice that you have your main power cables, and then you have your aux cable to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting off of your Supreme control. And since this is a tow version, you will also have your stop tail turn line here as well. Now when it comes to our Supreme control boxes, you have two options. You have our standard version and our handheld version. Now today I will be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you some of the features of our handheld. To get your light bar hooked up using our Supreme control, you'll simply plug your connector into your Supreme control box. And then I went ahead and ran my main power cables, my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. Now this is a tow bar, so it will come in standard amber, and then you get your two white takedowns, your two white alleys, and your two white work lights here in the back. And we also have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So you'll notice your slide switch here on your Supreme control. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those three modes on your slide switch here. And then you have your pattern button, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. You can find a pattern you'd like. And then this light bar has memory recall, so you can turn your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and program a pattern for your front mode, your light bar can remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also get a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes on your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you have your takedown, alley, and cruise functions here. Now you'll notice when those buttons are activated, those modules will go to steady burn. And you'll also notice with your alley switch, you have your 2 additional work lights in the back of your light bar as well. And these features do function independently of your light bar, whether it is flashing or not. And then when you deactivate these buttons, these modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here for your takedowns, alleys, and work lights, to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash in the warning color ordered of your light bar, and then when you activate these functions, they will go steady burn clear. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and aux button. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here for you to show you the traffic advising feature. Now you'll notice since this is a tow bar, it comes standard with our stop tail turn modules as well as the rear work lights here. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash in the warning color of your light bar ordered. And then when you activate your traffic advisor, these modules will go amber. And then you'll see on your Supreme control that you have your center out, your right left, and left right functions here. And then finally you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control box. And you'll simply hook those lights up to your aux cable harness. Now let's go over the functions of your handheld Supreme. So you'll see the main difference with our handheld Supreme is its more compact handheld design. And then you'll see the slide switch is actually replaced with 3 buttons up here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. You have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button, your alley button, you have your traffic advising features, you have your cruise mode, and your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, as well as vehicle specific gutter mount brackets. Then we have our permanent stud mount brackets here, and you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount these brackets like so. And this light bar will use 4 permanent stud mount brackets. And then finally, we have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to and sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 55 linear tow. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below our product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.